like those ads at the top of Google.
Yeah.
A really good click-through rate is 3%, meaning 3 out of 100 people who see your ad will click. And that's considered to be an excellent click-through rate because most people don't trust the ads. Most people skip right over them. If you are in position number 1 on Google in the organic area, in the SEO area, you get on average 37% of the clicks. So out of 100 people who would see that, 37 click on your listing versus 3 who might click on your ad. So it's a 10x increase in the number of people who will see you, who will click through to your website based on whether or not you're in position 1 organically or you have an ad. People don't trust the ads. Wow. And then if we talk about Facebook ads, it's even worse because on Facebook, think about it, it's interruption marketing. They're not on Facebook to see your ad. They're not there to sign up for your webinar or to buy your product. They're there to be entertained and to connect with their friends and family. So Facebook ads have a 1% conversion rate as your goal or 1% click-through rate. I want bigger numbers than that for my effort. And Google ads and Facebook ads, I'm paying for. Yeah. SEO, I'm just writing content that my customer wants and I'm helping them. And I'm actually building that know, like, and trust factor faster than I would with an ad. We see more performance from SEO. SEO can be challenging, but generally the click-through rates for social media ads are significantly lower than the click-through rates if you rank high. And that is the caveat with SEO. You have to rank high. You have to find keywords where you can rank at the top of page 1 because nobody's going to page 2. Think about your own searching habits. When is the last time you clicked more at the bottom of Google? 99.7% of people don't go to page 2. So this is where, yes, you get a lot more, but you have to be able to rank high. So often we use all the channels together from a marketing strategy standpoint.